Good evening and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank You Miss Lou, a tribute concert at Louise Bennett Garden Theatre was held last night to celebrate Miss Lou Day. And as promised, here are the highlights.
Them say from Good Friday morning, a job will not get no ease. Morning, noon and night and bedtime, she was namming bun and cheese.
Each year we celebrate some of our cultural icons, and Miss Lou being a most significant one. This year is the 98th anniversary of her birth, and so it's absolutely important that we pass on this message to our young people and to just remind even the generations who have gone before and who are here and older generations to say Miss Lou still is relevant in our society. We can still take inspiration from her life and her work and her lessons. So it's an opportunity for us to showcase what the works that she would have done and, to see the impact that she has had and still have on the society, and not only in Jamaica but right across the world.
Activities celebrating the 98th anniversary of the birth of the late Louise Bennett Coverley will continue for the entire month across the island. With heavy police presence and the Zoso being set up in Mount Salem, Montego Bay, homegrown dancehall artist Tommy Lee is speaking out against violence, and that can't come at a better time.
I mean, Tommy Lee is here when I'm saying be a bad man show. And that I love birth people virgin, but I love people that are kill people for nothing at all.
Now, Tommy Lee is known to be in the news, sometimes on the wrong side of the law, and normally pushes graphic and violent lyrics and video images. However, the Dark Clouds DJ stopped in one of his recent performances in Montego Bay to speak to his own music style, saying that for him, the violence stays in the music, begging his fellow Montegonians to stop the killing.
Everybody lose people, I'm over here. Now, just call me for war vibes, that's me. Big man thing. When you enter rooms of war, you never stop. You go, hey, but they follow on the virgin. And if you have something fix, you go come back again. You go just follow on the virgin. So you them find in a war, nobody hint on a war virgin.
Tommy Lee Sparta, who was given the go-ahead from police to perform at Sumfest this summer, said he is ashamed of what Montego Bay has become.
No, we are not there, but we're not out of the share more wild, school don't have a killing in our place, starting look how we are more wild, embarrassing, man.
However, many critics condemn DJs like Tommy Lee for their violent lyrics, which they see as condoning or endorsing criminal activity. Despite strong showings from Wonder Woman and Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2, the 2017 summer movie season endured the worst box office haul since 1997. The US box office is said to have raked in an estimated $3.83 billion this summer, which is more than a 14% drop from last year. According to reports, the last time Hollywood suffered through a summer season box office this sluggish, the top films were Men in Black and The Lost World: Jurassic Park. And that's it for E-Prime. Let's do more than keep a close watch at the hurricanes over the weekend, but let's think about how we can help our worst hit neighbors. I'm Crystal. I'll see you on Monday.